art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw baby Hercules, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing in the nose. So right in the center we're going to draw in a small arch line. Let's come down directly underneath, drawing in another arch line in the opposite direction for the smile. Now let's draw in the eyes. Coming through on a diagonal on the left hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. We're going to line that up at the exact same height on the right hand side, replicating that. Now on the inside for the pupil, from the top here, we're just going to curve this all the way around and through to the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the top here, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. We'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side, mirroring that on the right eye. Let's come down. We're going to draw in a second circle, making this one smaller for the second highlight. And now let's just color in our pupil black. Let's round out the cheek here now. So from the top, we're just going to curve this over, tucking that in on the bottom. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now for the eyebrow on each side, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, tucking that down. Let's frame in the hair. So right in the middle up above, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a little spiral here. So we're just going to curve this around, tucking this over and through. Let's round out the face. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, down, arching that in. Replicating that on the right-hand side, ending that at roughly the same height. Let's continue to close this off on the bottom, curving this over and in, blending that together. Let's draw on the ears. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the left. We'll replicate that on the right. Now on the top, let's curve this line out. And then moving underneath, we're going to again draw in another half circle. Let's move up. So on either side of this, let's just curve this around and down. Stepping down on this line, curving this back through and into the bottom. And then again, one more time as we tuck this in towards the ear. Let's draw in the metal around the neck here. So coming directly underneath in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Stepping in, let's just replicate that. We're going to draw in the clouds here now. So we're just going to draw in a little spiral. We'll do the exact same thing on the left, tucking that up. And then on the bottom, just curving that back in. Let's draw in the lightning bolt here. On the left-hand side, bringing this diagonal line out and back up. We're going to bring this down and across. We'll pull this in towards the bottom of that circle. Now let's bring this line out and over. Again, bringing this up and in. And then we're just going to flatten that out. Now let's draw on the straps around this. So we're just going to arch this line in. Let's come down for the torso now. So on either side, we're just going to curve this line in. We're going to end that at the same height. Now from here for the knee, we're just going to round this around, tucking that in first, in towards the middle, and we'll just end that at the same height. Let's close that off with a curved line. Now on the top here, continuing to round that knee out, we're just going to curve that over and up. Now on the inside for the foot, curving that over and in. And then tucking that leg up behind, just curving that through towards the top. And now for the toes, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines. Now moving up, we're just going to flatten this out, bringing those lines across on either side. Now let's draw on the arms holding in the lightning bolt. So coming down beside the cheek, we're going to curve this out. Let's round out the thumb here. So we're just going to arch this over, tucking that in. Now for the rest of the hand, we're just going to, from that line, curve this over, pulling that through on the top. And then for the fingers, like we did the toes, we're just going to curve these lines in. And then now on the bottom, let's continue to arch that over and through to the side. We're going to add a small detail in the knee here, so we're just going to curve this out on each side. Now let's draw on that lightning bolt. So on the inside here, curving this up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then we're going to tuck this back in on a diagonal. On the right-hand side, we're going to extend this further up towards the middle. And then we're going to bring this diagonal line out. To the left, we're going to again curve this through. Let's bring this out on a diagonal towards the top. And then again, we'll just round this out, curving that over and in. Now on the left-hand side, bringing that up. We'll draw a diagonal line coming across. We're going to follow this around that shape on the inside. Let's tuck this back in on a diagonal again. Let's bring this line up. We'll bring this through, extending that out. And now we're going to curve this all the way around and down on the right. Let's draw our diagonal line coming back in. Now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this over and through on the side. And then we're going to flatten that out, bringing that in. From that point, let's curve this down to the bottom. We'll pull that line back up. Let's curve this back down towards the hand. And then now from here, we're just going to bring this diagonal line up. Again, we're going to pull that in towards the hand. Now coming underneath, we're going to draw in a long letter V on each side. Lastly, we're just going to draw in the cloud. So on each side, we're going to draw in a little spiral here. We're going to line that up on the same height as best as we can on the right, replicating that. Now on the top, let's curve that over and through to the arm. Now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line coming through to the center, and we're just going to leave a gap right in the middle. Again here, just curving this over and through to the side. That is it. That's how you draw baby Hercules. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.